Good day. Today we're looking at transformations of your sine and cosine graphs. I've given you the equations at top where your amplitude is A, your frequency is B, phase shift is C, vertical shift is D, and your period is found by taking 2 pi and dividing by the frequency B. Okay, you can read that. Let's look at number 3 as an example. Now what I want you to notice for number 3, you have sine and then in parentheses 2x plus pi. Compare this to our formula up top though. Something is missing, something is different. I don't have this set of parentheses on number 3. So I need to pull out and make that set of parentheses. Pull out the 2. Y is equal to sine. Okay, don't know what happened there. Sine of 2 parenthesis. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's 1x. Pi divided by 2 is pi over 2. Plus pi halves. Now I can do the remainder of the problem. My amplitude is just 1. There is no number in front of sine. My frequency is 2. My period is 2 pi divided by my b value, which is 2 pi over 2, 4 pi. My phase shift is left, pi over 2 units. My vertical shift is none. It does not exist. Alright, I'm going to make graphs of half of the problems and let you try the other half. Let's do number 1 together. This is a sine function, so I'm starting at 0. I'm going to go up to 2 as a maximum and down to negative 2 as a minimum. Pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and lastly, 2 pi. 0 to my maximum, back to 0, back to minimum, back to maximum, or back to midline. There is my graph for 2 sine of x. Try number 2. Let's look at number 5. I deleted 2 of the problems because I thought it was redundant to make you keep graphing. This has a period change. So my period for this problem is equal to 2 pi over b. My period is pi. So I am going to be going from 0 1, negative 1. Now I'm going to put 4 approximately equidistant tick marks to get a good picture of this graph. I'm going to end this at pi. Well, halfway through will be pi over 2. To get to this quarter, I'm going to divide by 2 again. This is pi fourths. So it's going in increments of pi fourths. Okay. Maximum, 0, minimum, 0. Here is my graph. Finished. Try the next one. phase shifts. This is going to be left pi over 2 units. Let's do a cosine one. You can have the left pi over 2 as a freebie. You can use that whenever you do your practice problem. This is right pi units. So I'm going to be starting at pi. My end would normally be 2 pi, but since I moved it to the right one, this is 3 pi. I have 2 pi in the middle. I have 3 pi over 2. And I have 5 pi over 2. Cosine starts at the maximum of 1. Goes to 0. Goes to -1 for the minimum. 0. Maximum. There is my cosine graph. Alright, vertical shifts. I'll do cosine again, and I'll let you do the 2 sine ones on these last 2 problems. This has a vertical shift up 2 units. So at 2 is my new midline. My amplitude is 1, so it's going to go from 3 to -1. And I'm sticking with my normal domain. Pi halves, pi, 3 pi halves, 2 pi. Okay, my a value is a +1, so I'm starting at the maximum. Midline, minimum. Oh, apologies. Forgot the 0. Maximum, midline, minimum, midline, maximum. Okay. Try 9 and 7. Now I'm going to show you the answers. This is all that I have for you today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.